Well, what do you know, guys? We had an ice storm. It was actually really pretty. All icy. Look at that frozen rock. That is cool. The temperature dropped to about 27 degrees and it started snowing. So if my screen gets pretty wet or there's droplets, that's why. As you can see, where there's not like slush, there's bits of snow on top of the ice. Well, what do you know? It finally started snowing. It's really pretty, actually. I love the way snow looks on the trees. Everything's gonna start freezing because it was kind of raining / sleeting earlier. And I think now it's gonna start picking up. Oh, I love the snow. I just love being in the wilderness in a winter storm.